Welcome to another session of Food Overboard. I'm Carlo Cecchetto, Executive Chef of Roma Catering, and today we're going to do a really simple dish, but a very tasty dish, Bucatini Carbonara. Very simple. Here's our ingredients. We have some pancetta, but you could use bacon if you like. Onions, I mixed a little red onion in there because I like red onion. Garlic, of course. Butter for later. Black pepper, a little bit of chili pepper if you like hot. And this is really nice, fried capers and parsley for garnish. Then we have our eggs. We have 2 full eggs and 2 egg yolks, okay? And 4 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese. Olive oil, and now we're going to just turn our pan on. Put a little bit of olive oil, be a little bit generous with that. I'm making it for 4 people, and I've already cooked the bucatini, al dente of course, and they are ready to go. First things first, garlic. Let's saute that garlic. That's lots of garlic. I like garlic. Keep the vampires away. All right. So we're going to add our onions after the garlic, and at the same time we're going to add our pancetta. Alright, now if you like a little bit of hot, let's go with a little bit of hot. Now I put 1 tablespoon, that should be good for a little bit of heat. You can put less if you like, or more, depending on what you like. Now let's just saute all this. Let that cook. Now we're going to take our eggs and the fromage, and we're just going to leave about 1 tablespoon for the garnish for later. I like to put a little bit of parsley in this egg mixture. I like to use dry parsley. So let's just whisk this together with a fork. You can use a whisk if you like. Okay. See, just so until it's incorporated, just put that off to the side. All right, let's see how our sofrito is going here. Beautiful. Let's give her a little, yeah, there you go. Right out of the pot. See? I'm going to just leave that there for a second. And let's see how this is working. Wow, the smell is incredible. Beautiful. I love it. Now, just to make it more rich, I'm going to add some butter. A lot of restaurants will add cream. You can if you want. I like to add butter to this mixture because it just makes it, makes it a little bit decadent. It makes it a lot smoother. It gives it a beautiful flavor. Okay. Now, as that's cooking, I'm going to take my egg mixture and I'm going to put it right into the hot pasta. Just like that. Make sure you get it all. Don't forget to clean as you go. I'm going to just mix this, and I'm making enough pasta for about 4 people, or 2 Italians. You pick. Let's just coat that, and I'm using bucatini. Bucatini are thick spaghetti with a little hole inside. And they're quite nice with the carbonara because it really picks up everything. Now our sofrito is ready to go. There we go. Now I'm going to turn off the heat, and we are going to add that pasta in there right here, just like that. Now, do not cook the pasta right now because you will cook the eggs, and then you're going to get scrambled eggs, and then you'll have carbonara with scrambled eggs. If you want it for breakfast, no problem. You can see how it's just taking everything. Okay, and now for our finishing touches, just a little bit more parsley and the capers. I'm going to reserve some later, and I like to finish with the black pepper. If you have a pepper mill, of course, bring it to the table and you can do that. So let's just toss this. Look at this. Wow. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Look at that. Oh. Doesn't make you hungry, I bet. Huh? We'll make some right now. Like I said, this is so easy, so good. Even the pickiest kids will love it. Now, a little restaurant trick that I'm going to show you, no charge. Let's get all that good stuff on the bottom here. Get a nice big ladle. Twist nicely like that. Okay, bring it over to your plate and kind of drop it in there. Wow, and also beautiful. A little bit of the sofrito right on top. And again, just a little bit of parsley. I like the black pepper to finish. And a few fried capers. And of course, the parmigiano. There you have it. Bucatini alla romana. Carbonara. Grazie. Oh, let's eat. Hey, the best part of waking up is not Folgers. It's carbonara. Let's try some. Although myself personally, I haven't eaten Bucatini because for some reason, I guess it was when I was a kid, I hated Bucatini. But we'll see. Buon appetito! Fantastic! Beautiful flavor. I think I will put more chili, but perfect. Even the bucatini are good. So again, a very simple dish. Try it out. Let me know what happens. Ciao.